girl, Sarah. Good girl, honey. Good girl. Hi. Good girl. There's a cookie right in front of you. Can you do it? You're a good girl. What a good baby. Good girl. What do you think? There's a cookie. Good job. Good girl. What a good job. Now, what do you think? Now, what do you think? It's not so bad, is it? It's not so bad. It's not so bad, is it? Hey. Hi, what are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing in there? Come on, honey. There's my girl. Good job. What a good baby. Good girl. Yes, indeed. There's that nose.